Hello, everybody. My name's Sabrina, and today's fish of the day is the bonnethead shark. The bonnethead shark, also called the bonnet shark or shovelhead, scientific name Saphrina tibero, is known for its unique head shape. It is often thought that the bonnethead shark is a young hammerhead shark, and despite belonging to the same family, Sapphiridae, they are not the same species. Unlike the hammerhead's worldwide range, the bonnethead shark's natural range only stretches from southern Canada down to the coast of Brazil and Peru, with populations on both sides of the Americas. It lives primarily in estuaries or bays, living around vegetation, sandy bottomed areas, or reefs. These are a migratory species. During the summer, they move inshore and further north, but during the winter, they move back south. Eastern populations concentrate around the Carolinas in summer, and the Florida coast or the Caribbean Sea during the other months. But there are no concentrated points known for Pacific populations. Bonnethead sharks, similar to other sharks their size, eat primarily crustaceans, crabs, shrimp, mollusks, and small fish. Primarily similar to hammerhead sharks, they have many electromagnetic sensors on the underside of their heads. This is the reason for this spade shape, as the spacing of the sensors allow them to find prey below them. They hunt along the seabed, moving the head similar to how one would move a metal detector, looking for electromagnetic irregularities produced by living beings. After detection, the shark turns sharply and bites into the sediment, then grinding prey and swallowing. When unable to find prey or in larger groups, they have also been found eating seagrass and other vegetation. Other than for detection of prey, this head can also be used for better vision, as the eyes are faced to the sides, giving them a much wider field of view, allowing to see if any predators around, something that gives them a higher chance of surviving past childhood than many other sharks. The reproduction of the bonnethead shark is viviparous, meaning that the baby is formed inside the mother and born alive. Breeding is thought to take place around spring and autumn in Atlantic populations, but may take around a year without a proper season for it. However, these fish will breed only after they've reached 31 inches in females and 24 inches in males at around their second year of life. Then, after breeding, gestation takes only 5 months before they have anywhere between 4 to 12 pups, who are already 12 inches in length. These pups are then abandoned, primarily to keep parents from feeding on their own offspring, and will live around seagrass beds they were born in. This is where they will hide from predators for the first 4 years. These large bonnet sharks are reported as 4 feet in length, but most get only 2.5 to 3 feet long. Male and female bonnet heads can be told apart by the sexually dimorphic morphology of the head shape. In females, the head is round, but males have a bulge shape around the midline of the head, referred to as the cephalofoil. Their behavior is unlike many sharks, as bonnetheads are known to exist in groups, living in smaller numbers of 5 to 15 in a pod, although there have been schools of thousands reported to be traveling with one another. These groups are non-territorial, but they have a hierarchy within them. Strangest of all, these sharks appear to communicate with one another using cerebrospinal fluid as a chemical communicator between individual sharks, letting the others know where they are at any given time. That's the bonnethead shark, everybody, and your fish of the day.